In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a sender in Gmail step by step to help keep unwanted emails out of your inbox. Whether you're dealing with persistent spam or just don't want to hear from a particular contact anymore, this guide will make the process clear and simple for you. First things first, you'll need to open up Gmail. To do this, simply navigate to gmail.com using your web browser and log into your account. Make sure you're entering your credentials correctly to access your inbox. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the heart of your email world, ready to take control of your messages. Next, you'll want to find an email from the sender you wish to block. Scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate an email from this particular sender. Once you've found it, open the email by clicking on it. This will take you into the message where you can take action. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the email. You'll see 3 small dots aligned vertically, which represent the More Options menu. It's located right next to the Reply button. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to the message and sender. From the drop-down list, you'll want to select the option that says Block Sender Name. Clicking this option will prompt a confirmation message to appear. This message is just to make sure that you indeed want to block emails from this sender. If you're certain about blocking them, click Block again to finalize your decision. That's it. Future emails from this contact will automatically be directed straight to your spam folder, keeping your inbox tidy and free from unwanted communication. Now that you've successfully blocked someone, let's talk about what happens next. As mentioned, all future messages from the blocked sender will bypass your inbox and be rerouted to the spam folder. This means you won't see them in your main email feed, but if you need, you can always check your spam folder to view those emails. Finally, if you ever change your mind or accidentally block the wrong person, Gmail does provide a way to manage who you've blocked. To do this, click on the settings icon represented by a gear at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you will see a list of all the email addresses and contact names you've blocked. If you need to, you can unblock someone easily, restoring their emails back to your inbox. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage who gets through to your inbox, helping maintain an organized and more peaceful email experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made managing your Gmail